Eulogized since ancient times for the most picturesque scenery under heaven, Guilin's shimmering rivers and jagged karst peaks have drawn admirers from across the world and epochs. Tang poets praised the otherworldly spires as jade hairpins. Meme painters washed the silhouettes in mist. And Bill Clinton once admired how the scenery best captures the beauty of China from his famous cruise on the Li River. Yet when the heavens sculpted this cathedral of stone and water, they surely never envisioned a concrete monorail would vie for prominence amidst their sublime canvas. Feast your eyes upon the Guilin Cloud Rail, once poised to become the crowning jewel of the city's transportation system, now suspended midair like a high-tech monument to a vision that never took flight. In 2017, Guilin struck a deal with BYD to build the Cloud Rail, with Phase 1 a near 30-kilometre line above ground connecting the downtown railway station with the airport. The plan was bold. BYD would front the costs. The city would buy back later, a classic example of the build, operate, transfer BOT model, like borrowing a flashy EV from your dealer, only to discover that it drains you faster than your battery on a freezing night. Barely 1 year since the confetti settled, construction costs mysteriously spiraled from 200 to 265 million yuan per kilometre, to the dismay of city purse keepers. And come mid-2018, financial impasse ended with a construction freeze, leaving behind straddle beam tracks, deserted stations, and forlorn SkyRail trains gathering dust in perpetual wait for the proverbial platform whistle. Nowhere is irony sharper than at Shanshui Park Station. On first glance, the station appears complete, with flags waving dutifully over platforms while trains lie dormant beneath. Instead, pedestrians ascend the ornate staircases merely to cross the road, transforming Guilin's billion-yuan monorail into the most extravagant flyover in urban planning history. When the heavens crafted Guilin, they saw the landscape was good, only for man to footnote this emerald canvas with a concrete still life. Which goes to show that in Guilin at least, perhaps the journeys most worth taking come when ambition stands still for the view.